Health insurance is a financial arrangement that provides coverage for medical expenses, offering individuals and families a safety net against the high costs of healthcare services. It typically involves paying a regular premium to an insurance company, and in return, the insurance company helps cover a portion of the medical expenses when the policyholder requires medical care. Example scenario. Meet Sarah, a young professional with a passion for a healthy lifestyle. She decides to purchase a health insurance policy to ensure she's protected in case of any unexpected medical needs. Choosing a plan, Sarah researches different health insurance plans available in her area. She selects a plan that offers a comprehensive coverage package, including preventive care, prescription drugs, hospital stays, and specialist visits. Paying premiums, Sarah pays a monthly premium of $150 for her health insurance plan. This premium helps her maintain coverage and access to various healthcare services. Routine checkup. A few months into having her health insurance, Sarah schedules a routine checkup with her primary care physician. During the visit, her doctor conducts a physical examination, orders blood tests, and discusses her overall well-being. The total cost of the visit and tests is $250. Insurance coverage. Sarah's health insurance plan covers preventive care services at 100%, which includes her routine checkup. Since she has met her deductible for the year, her insurance company covers the entire $250 bill. And Sarah doesn't have to pay anything out of pocket. Prescription medication. Later in the year, Sarah falls ill and requires a prescription medication to treat her illness. The cost of the medication is $50. Her health insurance plan includes prescription drug coverage, so she only needs to pay a small copay of $10 for the medication. Specialist consultation. Sarah experiences some concerning symptoms and decides to see a specialist. She schedules an appointment with a gastroenterologist. The specialist visit, along with additional tests, costs $500. Insurance coverage. Sarah's health insurance plan covers specialist visits, but she has a co-insurance responsibility of 20%. This means she pays 20% of the $500 bill, which amounts to $100, while her insurance covers the remaining $400. By having health insurance, Sarah was able to receive routine checkups and preventive care at no additional cost, access prescription medication at a reduced cost, consult with a specialist and undergo necessary tests while sharing a portion of the expense with her insurance. This example illustrates how health insurance offers financial protection and access to medical care, helping individuals manage healthcare expenses and maintain their well-being without facing crippling costs. It provides peace of mind and ensures that individuals can prioritize their health without worrying about the financial impact of medical treatments and services.